Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Fawad Ahmed and our presentation is about the compaction of the soil and the equipments which you are using for it. So here it is Tariqullah, Fawad Ahmed, Saiful Khan Shah and Muhammad Harun. So my topic is introduction. I would like to give introduction of this topic. So soil compaction. First of all, I would like to talk about the soil compaction. What is the compaction of the soil? Compaction is a process in which pressure or stresses or forces are applied on something, in this case on soil, and squeeze it, intensifies it, and its unit strength are increased. So that's why the force are removed, the air is extracted out from it, and the soil are densified. So this is a very broad topic and used in a lot of projects like embankments and roadway and all the walkways. So this is very important. So soil compaction is very necessary. It increases the bearing capacity of the soil. It increases the bearing capacity of the soil and the stiffness. So in that way, it is very necessary for all the projects. So the things on which this depends upon, the main thing is the water content ratio and the optimum water content ratio. When the soil is too dry, so we deploy trucks on it to increase its wetness. So in that way, we can classify the equipments on which they use. So only on this basis the equipments are classified, whether it is a smooth bed or a sheep-footed ruler. So on this basis all the equipments are arranged. So the equipment topics are attributed to my other fellow. So I would like to please tell Tariqullah to please come forward and present.
Is for the we're talking about the soil compaction. The soil compaction is a process in which stresses are applied to soil and geopressure. In the practical field, we use many different types of equipment for this process, the soil compaction. The first that we use the pavement. This is smooth feed ruler or vibrating drum. The second one is pneumatic ruler. Third one is vibrating drum and handle vibrating flares, and the fourth one is sheep foot ruler. The first one is smooth feed ruler. Smooth feed ruler is the name implies use one large smooth feed drum in the front in either 1 or 2 weeks on the rear end confection. This is a machine in which drums, one is at the front and one is at the rear end. These are either tandem means this is 2 wheel maybe or maybe 3 wheel. They are ideal for gravel, sand, dust, surface testing. These type of equipment are used for different types of soil compaction, which soil may be gravel, sand, and dust, and also used for surface testing. Surface testing is the process of layers of bitumen emerging and shifting improved. This is the process of improving and structures, improving the surface structure of a road maybe or maybe various types of soils. This is the equipment. This is a smooth field roller, 100% coverage under the wheel, can take pressure and it flies up to 400 kilopascals. It can be used on all soil types except for the road soil. We cannot use this because in comparative effort, this is a static where we mean that it flies just force on the soil which comes on the beneath it, but it doesn't fly any more force on the soil. The second one is the pneumatic roller or rubber tiles. In this type of equipment, the tiles are made of rubber. Pneumatic roller is a rubber tile instead of steel. Instead of steel, the tiles are made of rubber. A steel tile or drums. It features 2 tandem axle with 3 or 4 tiles on the front axle and 4 and 5 tiles on the rear. In this type of equipment, 5 to 4 tiles are on the front axle and also on the back one axle. That consists of the box mounted on the 2 axle, front axle, and 1 wheel less than the rear wheel. This will consist of a heavily loaded wagon with several rows of 4 to 6 tires. Characteristic of this type of equipment is ground coverage is nearly about 80%. The contact pressure is about 700 kilopascal. Gross weight of this type of equipment is 6 to 10 tons and provides uniform pressure throughout the weight of the soil. The speed of the ruler during the operation with soft ground is up to 80 km/h, while the hard ground, the speed of it with which it works is about 8 km/h. And for hard soil, it's about 40 km/h. These are the friction of that key feature often with pump pressure throughout the bed of the tire, and this is used cold leg bituminous in spot. These are used for this type of pneumatic type rulers. Pneumatic type rulers are also called rubber type rulers because these are made of rubber. These rulers are, I would like to invite to Compaction for the next presentation.
Thank you so much. The type I would discuss is sheet foot rollers. The sheet foot rollers are a vibration and static type of roller which we use with fine grain and granular soil both. The sheet roller is also known as stamping rollers. They are with the rectangular shaped lugs or feet. Sheet foot roller has an almost roof-like structure. Okay, for producing studs on a drum, it is similar to sheet foot. It provides a kneading action. They depends on specification of various manufacturers. The teeth size slightly different from one hoop to the other hoop. Okay, now where we use the sheep, like put it on cohesion soils, the sheep foot roller works very well. In wet conditions, we also use this type of roller, but the sheep foot roller we can apply it to a compact soil at a greater depth. The other application of sheep foot roller is when filling trenches in a narrow space, it gives yet another ability to control it. Okay, this is, you can see the sheep foot roller and you can see this lugs here, and uses like wet clay and compacted soil and silky clay. Okay, this is, you can see. Okay. Vibrating drum or smooth wheeler is another type of the roller. A vibrating roller usually has two wheels installed on the rear end or a drum roller. As it's discussing the name of vibrating, so it's a vibrator and a drum roller installed on the front end of its head. While moving the vibrating roller in a reverse direction, vibrations are turned off. This is done particularly to avoid disturbing the compaction of already compacted area, so that the compacted area should not be disturbed. How it works? Now, as the drum rotates, so does the bizarre. The main criteria of it is that the vibration produces due to the bizarre. If you want to increase the vibration, we want to increase the weight of the bizarre. Now, where we use it? Vibrating rollers are ideal for compacting granular soils like sand. They can be used to compact paving materials. These granular soils are difficult to compact otherwise with simple rollers. Therefore, a vibrating roller produces a vibrating, allowing the granular particles to rearrange in a compact, removing any air voids. We use these vibrating rollers to remove any type of air voids which are present in the soil. Now, what is the difference between it? It will explain my team member this moment.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Harun. My talk is about the difference between the vibrating roller are almost identical to smooth wheel rollers, including the single and double drum, except for one major difference. They come with a specialized vibrating component, is the roller complex and creating a surplus that will vibrate. It is a vibrating feature complex deep under the surface, and it uses compacting spark technique, also fresh water and gravity. Smooth wheel rollers, vibrating smooth wheel. It comes in two model singles are drum model. The drums are made to vibrate by employing rotating or reciprocating mass, which generate three compact causes. Number one, pressure. Number two, impact. Number three, vibration. Hand-held vibrating types of machine used to compact materials are items. The user will walk behind the machine as it compacts the soil to manipulate the direction of the machine, as well as the speed of the vibration. Times are perhaps the most basic of all hand computer models. It is a mechanical process by which we compact the soil. Actually, in compaction of soil, we decrease the width between the soil particle, not increase the size of the particle. And what does tamping soil mean? Tamping soil actually means to tightly compact the particles of the soil by a series of blows or taps to tamp down the soil surround the plants. And where it is used and for which soil it is used? So it is used for loosely soil such as granular soil, or gravel, small aggregate, and hot spot masses. The vibration created by a plate or computer moves the particles of the soil together. So the limitation of this type of machine is that it is not used for large areas, it is used for small areas. And thank you for listening.